Welcome to the Symbol Outdoor Goods product support page. We're here to help address common questions about the latest product in our line of camping essentials, our new solar-powered flashlight.
Alright, that was the flashy intro. But what we are actually looking at here is the next major pillar of Google Workspace. You have docs, sheets, slides, and now you have vids. This isn't really a tool for YouTubers or filmmakers. This is video for work. The problem this solves is the death by PowerPoint. Instead of sending a 30-page PDF update to your team that nobody reads, Google wants you to generate a quick, engaging video. Think about customer support, project management, or internal HR updates. Usually, making a video for these things takes days. You need a scriptwriter, a voice actor, and an editor. Google Vids is trying to collapse that entire workflow into a single prompt. Because it's built into the workspace, it uses Gemini. This means it can read your Drive files. You can essentially say, hey, look at this Google Doc and turn it into a video summary, and it handles the rest. It operates on a timeline, but it feels more like building a slide deck. If you can use PowerPoint, you can use this. And a massive pain point it removes is the voiceover. Most people hate recording their own voice. This tool comes with preset I voiceovers that analyze your script and apply the right tone, whether that's authoritative or chill. Since this is Google, the big pitch here is security. Companies are scared to use random AI video tools because of data leaks. Vids stays inside your company's walled garden. They are rolling this out to business and enterprise plans right now. It's a clear signal that video is becoming the default way we communicate in the office. But let's stop looking at the brochure. Let's actually go into the app and see how it builds a video from scratch. Okay, here's the dashboard. It's clean. It looks familiar. We have options to create a video from scratch, record ourselves, or use a template. Let's start with a template to see the structure. The interface creates a storyboard. You can see the timeline at the bottom. What's interesting here is the editing capability. You aren't just stuck with what the AI gives you. You can click on any element, resize it, and move it around, just like a presentation slide. Now, check this out. Let's say you need a specific asset. You don't need to leave the tab to hunt for stock photos. You open the Generate panel on the right. You type in your prompt. Here we are asking for a colorful, abstract mural. You pick your style. Let's go with photography and hit create. This solves the blank canvas problem. You never have to worry about copyright issues or finding the perfect image. You just conjure it up right inside the editor. Boom, there it is. Drag, drop, and it replaces the background instantly. The layering system is intuitive. If you've used Canva, you will feel right at home here. But the real power isn't editing manually. It's the Help Me Create feature. Let's try to generate a full corporate video from a single text prompt. Here's the prompt. Inform the company about a new commuter benefit. Watch what Gemini does. It doesn't just make the video. First, it generates an outline.
New perk for all our employees, a new commuter benefit card. This new benefit is designed to make your daily travel simpler and more affordable. The core of this benefit is a prepaid debit card. specifically for commuter expenses. This card offers several key advantages, including saving money, ease of use, and flexibility in how you spend it. Simply load the card with funds and use it to cover your eligible commute costs, simplifying your daily travel routine. The card is conveniently funded through automated deductions directly from your paycheck.
And here is the result. Listen to that. It selected relevant stock footage of a credit card reader. It put the text on screen dynamically. And that voiceover, that is completely AI generated. It even creates a summary in the feed. Now, let's look at one last feature, creating raw video clips from text using Google's VO model. Sometimes you need a very specific video clip that doesn't exist in stock footage. You can describe the camera movement, the subject, and the lighting. Here we are asking for a crazy zoom on a face with a specific lighting setup.
Stars millions of light years away. Every single speck is a sun, maybe with its own worlds? What do you imagine? Look at this. Trillions of stars, millions of light years away. Every single speck is a sun, maybe with its own worlds? What do you imagine? Look at this.
If you want to master the future of work and automate your content creation, click the link in the description, join the Forge, and let's build something cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.